Hi, my beautiful loves. It's Shiloh Witt here from Perfect Shade Cosmetics. Today, I'm going to be doing a refresher tutorial on how to use your skincare. Now, ladies, we stock the Oh My Lady brand. We have exclusivity over it, as you know, and all product information is available on www.perfectshade.co.za. So I have no makeup on at the moment, and I'm going to show you step by step what I do on a daily basis, morning and evening. So my first step in my cleansing routine is my soap, which cleanses, leaves a silky, velvety feel, and does not leave that tight feeling on your skin. It deep cleanses, but most of all, it brightens and lightens your skin as well. So I'm going to show you what I do on a daily basis, starting from my soap, which is my first step. It's an amino acid soap, and if you would like to know more information about this, please go to the site and it will give you a detailed information and product guide on what the soap does. So we sell it with our soap pads, which is a must, okay, when you want to lather and you want to apply it on your skin. So I'm going to wet the soap a bit and just give it a good rub in my hand just to get the soap onto the soap pad, and that's what I'm doing. I've wet it and I'm giving a good rub into the soap pad because I really want a good lather on my skin to get rid of all of the bacteria, deep cleanse, and get into the pores without being too harsh or abrasive. Okay, so I'm just giving that a good dip. And I'm going to clean my skin just like this. So it doesn't over lather, and that's absolutely normal, but you will see that it's already in the soap pad, and that's all you need actually just to clean your face morning and evening. Don't over rub. Majority of women overdo it, and this actually causes the skin to be a little bit patchy, and it also causes it to be a little bit scabby. So dry areas will get onto your skin if you over rub your skin. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that there, and then I'm going to wet my terry cloth, which is what I use to remove excess makeup from my face. I love this terry cloth. It just cleanses beautifully. If you wear a lot of eye makeup, what I would suggest you do is that you apply a little bit of oil, any oil, whether you want to use coconut oil, whether you want to use baby oil, just to remove excess makeup from around your eyes. If you don't want to, really pull the skin. This is the thinnest skin on the face, so don't be too harsh on this area. You really want to preserve the elasticity. So I would suggest that you apply some oil on this area, which I definitely do, and then I use a wet wipe just to remove the excess makeup that's left behind after I've cleansed with my soap. So you can see that immediately it gives you that brightening and lightening effect. Without it looking dry, I'm going to show you close up what it actually feels and looks like. You can see the skin is super smooth. Really gently around the eyes, just clean. And I'm going to leave that to dry naturally while I tell you about my next step and the products that I use. So this is the Real Eye Cream, and this is how it comes packaged. Okay, so if you have dark circles and bags, then this is the product to use under your eyes. You can even use it around your lines here on the side of your mouth. If you have frown lines and you want that instant freeze for up to 10 hours during the day, then the Real Eye Cream is what you need. It is hydrolyzed collagen, and it is going to give you a freezing effect for up to 10 hours, especially for under eye bags and circles. It neutralizes the dark circles, and it just lifts up everything. So if you even have a little bit of sagging skin on your eyelid itself, the Real Eye Cream works really well in this area. So any area where you have lines and sagging, the Real Eye Cream is not only for under your eyes. Now there are instructions inside the box. So there are instructions inside the box on how to combat the excess residue that sometimes comes on when you apply too much of the real eye cream. So all you got to do is take a little drop. Okay, I've got some fluff here in my nose. Okay, all you got to do is take a little drop of the real eye cream, put it on your hand, dab a drop of water on it, and then apply on that area that has the excess residue. So just follow the instructions inside the box and you will not go wrong. So that's my next step. My face is dry already. I don't have much bags, but I'm going to apply a little bit underneath here, and I'm not going to talk or try to move my eye area for like 3 minutes. So I'm just going to pat it on all the way up to your lashes. Okay, so pat, pat, pat. Do not rub the real eye cream in. You will not get the effect that you want. You really have to pat it in all the way up to your lashes and just leave it on. Okay, so I'm just dabbing a little bit more under my left eye. Not that I need it, but I just want to show you what happens if there is residue, then you know how to work that. Okay, so I'm going to leave that to dry. And already you can see that it's neutralizing and removing the dark circles from underneath the eyes. My next step is my vitamin C serum, which I apply on dark circles or any area that is highly pigmented or overpigmented, on freckles, dark circles, pigmentation, and uneven skin tone around the mouth. Our vitamin C serum is really, really potent, and please read up on this product online if you would like to know more information about this. So that's what I apply next. You can see that it's got grapeseed extract in it, and it is an anti-aging serum. It is for pigmentation, and basically it is for any area that is darker than your normal skin tone. So you can use it anywhere. It doesn't matter. You can use it under your arms, in between your legs. Remember, serum gets to a deeper level of the skin because the molecules are a lot smaller than your creams and your moisturizers and your lotions. So I pat it on like this, especially around my mouth, right? And then just applying on my forehead for elasticity and any discoloration, which is actually not even visible to the naked eye. Like my discoloration was mainly around my mouth and on my cheeks here. That came up with a specific range of peels that I was doing 4 years ago that actually caused a lot more damage to my skin and brought out pigmentation. And my skincare range just eliminated all of that. So I have slight spots. You can see I've got a beauty spot here, slight spots that I'm still working on, and that is lightening significantly during the day. All right, so that's the vitamin C serum. I'm going to give you very brief information on this. It's got grapeseed extract, and its powerful combination is capable of activating skin cells on contact, stimulating your skin's collagen production, which is so important because we are all trying to replace the collagen that is being lost as we age, as we expose ourselves to environmental factors, to stress, poor diets, genetic disposition. We lose elasticity in our skin, and our vitamin C serum, as well as our anti-aging serum, replaces the collagen in your skin. So it improves your skin's elasticity and it tightens your skin. My next step is my anti-aging serum. This is my go-to serum when I want instant hydration, instant plumping up. I love the serum. It is super, super hydrating on the skin, and you're going to see what it does to my skin now. I'm just going to do a drop here, and a drop here, and a drop here. Pat it in. I don't like to over rub serums in. It needs to be absorbed naturally. You can see what it does. And you can also see what the real eye cream has done under my eyes. Amazing for instant freezing, instant removal of bags. It's also working on tear ducts. If you have very tearful eyes, then the real eye cream will sort that out as well. Okay, so any excess, definitely take it down to your neck. Okay, so ladies, if you do suffer with very dry skin, then please get the anti-aging serum. You can see what it's done for my skin close up. Okay, so a little goes a long way with the anti-aging serum, just 3 drops. As you can see, no turkey neck, and I'm 46 years old, and it's all thanks to my skincare. So that's my next step. At this point, if you do have acne, then I would suggest you putting on the acne gel. Now remember, with hormonal acne, please, you need to be on an oral acne program in order to work with our topical acne kit. It works in conjunction with our topical acne kit to enhance the effects of your oral program and also to maintain the skin. And yes, so at this point, your acne gel will go on. My next step is my day cream, my freckle day cream. Okay, so that's my freckle day cream with CBD extract. Okay, and I'm just going to put on a little bit. Okay, if you're starting to get sagging jawline, please massage your jawline upwards whenever you're applying any skincare so that it does not start to sag even more. My next step, if it's day or night, I actually use the snail cream simply because I do have dry areas underneath my eyes and I love to use the snail cream during the day, but this is actually a night repairing cream. So if you do have very oily skin, please skip on this during the day. I have really dry skin around my eyes, so I put the snail repair cream only under my eyes during the day, but at night I do apply it on my entire face. Okay, so this is a night routine that I'm doing. So I am going to apply it on the entire face and neck as well. My next step is my primer. Yes, as much as people say don't wear primer at night, it's an SPF 50, but it's also an anti-aging primer, so I put it on day and night. I'm going to pat over the Real Eye Cream at this point. And this again will show you how the Photoshop actually blurs out your marks and your pigmentation or any blemishes so that you actually wear a lot less makeup when you start to apply your makeup. So definitely a must-have in your skincare as well as your makeup routine because our products are not compatible with other brands. So please refrain from using silicone-based primers when applying or when using the Shiloh Beauty range of makeup. Ladies, I hope you love this short tutorial on our Oh My Lady brand as well as a refresher for skincare. If you would like to hydrate and repair your skin, I suggest that you get the Oh My Lady brand. Remember that we are also offering skincare samples for the day and the night cream online at www.makeupandskin.co.za. perfectshade.co.za. Ladies, please order your skincare samples to see if you are compatible with our skincare range and that you are not allergic to any of the active ingredients, and also to give you a taste of what our skincare actually does for your skin. Guaranteed you will be hooked. Thanks for watching. Bye.